Hey, hope you guys are having an amazing week. This is Tommy Walker, your local realtor. And this week, I'm coming to talk to you about the 5 benefits of the VA home loan. That's right, I'm talking to all the veterans out there. And me, I am a veteran myself. I spent 10 years in the United States Navy as a meteorologist and oceanographer. So to all my Navy folks out there, yes, I was a weather guesser. So VA home loan, I had the opportunity to use my VA home loan with my wife and children. We purchased our first home and it was a great benefit, great opportunity. But I wish somebody would have explained the whole process to me just a little bit better. So I would like to give you just a few tips, some benefits, and those that are eligible for the VA home loan. And hopefully, if you ever have questions, feel free to give me a call anytime. So the 5 benefits, the first one and the biggest one is 0 down. You don't have to put a big down payment or any down payment for your VA home loan. That's right, 0%. Now, you can choose to put down a down payment. This will only help lower your monthly payment, but you don't have to. And that's great. That's an awesome opportunity. Number 2 is with 0 down, there's no PMI. PMI is private mortgage insurance. Now, PMI is typically attached to loans if you don't put at least 20% down. So your FHA loans or even your conventional loans, if you put 5 or 10% down, then you have PMI insurance or private mortgage insurance. And with the VA loan, you don't have that. Number 3 is your credit score. You don't need a significantly high credit score to qualify for the VA home loan. 620 is the average credit score is what we've been seeing to get in on a VA home loan. And when you look at FHA, typically it's like a 676, or conventional loans are up above 700, 750. VA, all you need is a 620 to start getting things prepared for that purchase. And number 4 is the opportunity to have the seller pay for your closing costs. So this was a huge benefit, especially for my family at the time. It was hard to save money, but if the seller can help pay for your closing costs, that's a win for you all the way around. And they also can give up to 4% of concessions on the purchase as well. And last but not least is typically we've seen that the VA home loans have a lower interest rate than everything else. So that's huge. That's a great opportunity there to use your VA home loan to get 0% down. You don't have to have a huge credit score. You don't have to have a lot of money down. The seller can help pay for your closing costs, and the interest rates are a lot better. So what do you have to do? You have to get your certificate of eligibility, which we call COE. You could get that online at the VA benefits website. You could go in to your local VA clinic, which here in San Diego, we have one in Mission Valley. But once you get your certificate of eligibility, that lets the lender know that you are eligible and they can start shopping VA loans for you. Now, who is eligible? All you had to have done is 90 days in the military during time of war, 6 years in the Reserve or National Guard, or 181 days during time of peace, or if you are a beneficiary of a veteran who passed away, then you are also able to get the VA home loan. So those are the people that are eligible. Now, you could use your VA home loan to buy a house, to buy a condo, to refinance your current mortgage, or to build a home. You can even use your VA home loan to do some energy efficient upgrades in your property. So these are all the different things that you could do with that VA benefit. It is huge, and I hope that all of my veterans out there are using this opportunity no matter where you are in this country. But if you're here in San Diego, if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call anytime. This is Tommy Walker, and I hope you're having a great week. I look forward to talking with you all again.